Man, today's pretty windy. Makes me want to build a wind turbine. But today what we're building is a set of shelves to help hold all this wood that I've been reclaiming. I have all the stuff already cleaned up and sorted out, so I'm going to use these pieces to make a shelf about this high and about that wide and about that long. So hopefully I can have a bunch of the 12 footers and 10 footers on it, and then have a bunch of the smaller ones stacked on top. I'm just marking with a nail. You know, it's funny, this little power drill that I found in the trash is better than that orange one. And plus, I can hook this up to my power supply and charge the crap out of this thing, and it doesn't hiss or vent or anything. It's weird. But the other one does. This old wood sure is tough, but that's why I'm keeping it. Nickel cadmium batteries suck. I'm very happy with how that turned out. Yep, that's not moving. Not moving at all. And that is that. I don't know if I'll trust much more weight on that. That seems like it's about the safe maximum, if even there. It might be past that, but I think it's okay. Definitely help clean this up. So a lot of this wood, well, for instance, this is wood that I'm still going to go through. It's, well, not the go through. Whenever I get to a point where I might want to use this, then I'll decide if I want to keep this. This is stuff that's keeping for like redoing handles on tools and whatnot, and then this is trash, so that stuff's probably going to be burned. And have a lot more wood coming, so I might make some more wood shelves for the other storage unit, and possibly make another one for the back of here. So that'd be cool. Only took a couple hours to make. Would have been quicker if I had a power drill that held a charge, but oh well, you do with what you can. Please let me know if you think this is stressing this wood too much, or if maybe there's plenty more capacity. Although I guess I probably shouldn't have used this piece of wood because it has an arrow going right through it. That's a real shame. Hope it doesn't crack there. You know what I might do is I might get piece like this and put it on back here and then hold it, or just put a whole other second board over here. That'd be great. Oh, I didn't even realize this also has a big knot through it. Yeah, that's, oof, I don't know about that, but that's why I added this inner piece, even though none of us touching it. That's a shame. Oh well. We'll see how it does. I'll make the next one better, that's for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!